What's going on, guys? Chris back with you with another product review. Not too much to unbox here, but this you obviously have probably seen before. Obviously, over the last Summer Olympic Games, this was big, and a lot of people are using this type of tape for sports activity, for blood flow, etc. This is nicknamed K-tape or Kinesiology tape, however you pronounce it. I like to just call it K-tape because it's kind of a big word there. But we have some tape right here. And the company also sells scissors as well. Like all my videos, in the description box below the video, right below this video here, is going to be the link for this exact same products, the scissors and the tape. You guys can read more about it. Pick one up yourself. You guys in the UK, if they sell it in the UK, I will have you linked down below as well. So check out those links. So what I like about this, it's strong but yet sensitive to your skin. We're going to be putting it to the test. I'm going to show you what I use it for. And just like the Summer Olympic Games, you probably have seen many different colors. The company has many different colors. This is going to be the skin color. It blends in, but obviously look for those links if you want different type of colors, etc. So let's come over here. Let's take it out. Let's go ahead and give you a closer look. Hey guys, if you're new here, welcome. We have a lot of fun here. Smash that subscribe button down below and turn on your bell notifications so when fresh content comes out, you're the first to know. All right, let's go ahead and get this out here. Both these are the same color and the same type of tape here. Inside we have a little brochure, and that actually just kind of talks about it a little bit more, but let's go ahead and run over some specs by you guys here. They're telling you the most important features to look for in K-tape: medical grade adhesive, certified skin testing, fabric quality, country of manufacture, ISO 9100, factory, wear time, and material stretch. Obviously, you probably have seen these for the shoulders, the knees, the elbows, the shins, etc., and the different cutting applications there. Here are the different types of shapes, the V shape, X, Y, and the L shape there. And it's a cool little brochure for the different areas of the body. And I have used K-tape before, and I will mention that you definitely want to use it about 30 to 60 minutes before an activity. One time I was in kickboxing class and put it on while I was already sweaty. You want to put it on while you're dry before the activity. And this just gives you, if you want to go ahead and pause that, that gives you some general instructions there. And a couple more tips right there. You can go ahead and pause that. Let's go ahead and get it on out here. This roll is a 5 centimeter by 5 meter length, and that is 16.5 feet and 1.97 inches across. So again, this is the skin color one here. Let's go ahead and take it on out here. Let's get that plastic off. And if you've never experienced K-tape before, it is a material type of a fill. So almost like something like a material fabric, like maybe a cushion for your kitchen chair, etc. Once you fill it, you'll definitely know what I'm talking about. And taking it off of the tape here, you're not supposed to be touching the back of the adhesive, but obviously you have to peel it up a little bit. Just be careful with that. It is medical grade adhesive there. And that's what the inside looks like, and the wrapping here. So you can just throw that in your gym bag, or you can keep the little box there if you want to keep sweaty clothes off of it. I'll leave that up to you guys or not. And then also we mentioned these scissors by the company as well. So let's go ahead and get these bad boys out of here, and let's go ahead and take them for a little look-see. They do give you a nice soft cloth as well. So we have a nice little microfiber cloth. And let's go ahead and take a look at those scissors there. Very cool. A matte black finish to them there. And nice to be able to slice that. Those are actually really light too as well, so I can use that. Throw that in my gym bag and use it for when I'm ready to give it a go. Let's go ahead and show you an example here. I'll just cut off just a little piece because obviously I need to be using this for the gym. I don't want to waste a small piece. So cuts right through the K-tape. Doesn't get held up on that K-tape. Very sharp, nice scissors there. Take a look at that. Very cool. Let's go ahead and put it through the ringer and see what she can do. And I do want to show you another tip for the tape. This is not what it's made for, but it's the best tape that I've actually experienced in kickboxing, boxing classes. Sorry for the gross toe, but it actually was worse than this. The skin gets chopped up because you're pivoting and you're rotating your feet. So a lot of fighters, a lot of boxers, etc., they get jacked up bottoms of their feet. So they use this toe wrap. And unfortunately, other toe wrap, other waterproof tape you can buy at the store or whatever, just rips off once you start doing mountain climbers or some sort of jumps or pivoting. But K-tape is the best tape I've ever used for toe wrap. Reason being is because it's flexible and it sticks and it holds throughout an entire 1 hour session. So that is a tip for you. You don't use too much. I just wrap my toe like that, and that will stay on all class. Here we go, guys. Right here we have Coach Paulo. He's doing it on his tricep here, and what we are doing here is we are elongating his muscle, and it's looking fantastic. And obviously you can do it in a couple different areas. You want to go ahead and avoid the bone. You can go ahead and go around the bone so that your fabric doesn't get caught on the K-tape. But look at that. Very, very nice. And here is a little tip for you guys here. I actually round my edges, and that is able to sometimes stick a little bit better. It's totally up to you if you guys want to do this or not, but these are just some tips that I've used over course of using K-tape. Now, something to keep in mind here. So this, for instance, would be definitely nice for your tennis elbow, a strain in your muscles right through this area here. So I'll show you guys here. Round the edges here, and that will be able to, obviously you guys might be able to do a little bit, kind of it takes me back to grade school. So kind of round the edges there. And then I'm going to show you a technique that a physical therapist actually in my gym, she showed me a few different techniques for inflammation and for all different other types of things here. So if you have a little bit of a tennis elbow, again, if you want to elongate the muscle or if you want to bring it up this direction, as in contracting the muscle together, then you would start down here, holding your finger, and then go ahead and stretch it out about 20-30%, and then go ahead and lay it over. So what happens is going that direction, the muscle is being brought up this way, like this here, because you're stretching out the muscle here, going here. Or you would start it here and go up this direction here. If you want to go ahead and pull it out like this, then you would start here, and then 20-30% stretch it and then bring it down here. So what happens here is the tension's going here and it's bringing the muscle out this direction. The other direction would be bringing it from here, compressing it this direction upward. There's also really cool ways. She was showing me the octopus, where you cut 4 different tentacles in this. You put it on the side of the knee, you wrap it around so it goes up to the lymph nodes. There's some really, really cool things for inflammation after surgeries. So let me back the camera up here and we'll get a nice view here. So what you do is you just peel it up like this. You want to stay away from the bone here, because what happens is your clothes will rub on the bone. And so what you want to do here, my bone is right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually start on the right side of it. So go ahead and firmly press down right here. Now what you want to do here, it's a little tricky with the camera shot here, but hold that down and you're going to stretch it out about 20 or 30%. And then as you're matting it down, and then we're going to come all the way down here, and then go ahead and give it a nice rub down again. And that's going to hold right there. And which way you want the muscle going. But this is great tape. And again, not really for toe wrapping use like we saw earlier in the video. But again, it's the best tape I've ever used for toe wrapping that doesn't come off. So guys, there's many, many different awesome uses for K-tape. So again, look for your links in the description box below the video where you can pick this up, read more about it, and the scissors will be linked below as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hit that thumbs up button if it has helped you understand a little bit more about K-tape. If you're in your research process, hopefully the video has helped. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.